Miss Aishwariya Malang kabana kashnong khlieh yong riang West Chanty Hills District kabala shajit kum Miss Teen Diva ha ke national level man mi khmat ek Meghalaya naduh ka khatwe terik uniu banai naitung hadu ka khat khandai terik uniu banai naitung arja upon riew. Kum ka samla ka badang khat pras nam karta ka samla Aishwariya kalapan ka jingkyrshan na ke para samla ka jala kum juru na ke paidbah ha ke ni ka jingyakop ka ban long ha Jaipur. Kum ka samla ka bala jap teng ye ke Miss Teen Jawai teenager pageant ka samla kala ai mensia mi ke para samla bakin yaine scam ha ke jingtmu khanang bakin point sha ka thong bar ha ka ju ka por ban klat pat ya ka kam. Katba umama Dr. Dave Frederick Malang ula ong baka samla Aishwariya kala angnut ya kane ka kam naduh badang khana bat kala yaine hadu menta ban poi sha kane ka kerdan ban shajit hadu kane ka kerdan jingyakop ka bahe du ha India. Kumta ula kerpa de baro ban ai ka jingkyrshan ka bakhlan na ka benta jangka. Ka samla Aishwariya kala samru ye ki jing jangka halor kane ka kam bat penchlor ye ki samla ban yat shakhamat ki jing pho slio da ka jingshania bat jing IT.
Media who are present here. We are very grateful for you for being here and for being here regarding Aishwariya. First of all, I'm Aishwariya's uncle, and I think it would be nice if we had a little bit of introduction from her side, hear about her journey a little bit. So ask Aishwariya to introduce herself.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwariya and I'm a finalist of Miss Teen Diva, and I've been selected to represent Meghalaya in the national stage. I'm from Jawai, Khlieh, the locality name is Khlieh. The competition will be held on July from the 18th till the 19th, and then that's thank you.
Okay, you tell us your journey. How did you start this modeling?
My journey yung for katbis na mas like fashion shows, modeling, and after that I started competing in pageants when I was 14 years old, which is the Miss Joy Teenager pageant, and later I started joining the Miss Chanty Queen in 2024 when I was 16 years old, and now currently I'm preparing for the Miss Teen Diva pageant, which is the national pageant.
When is the national pageant going to be held? Where?
Oh yeah, the national pageant it will be held in Jaipur from the 11th to the 19th, and the finale is going to be on the 19th.
Could you tell us some of your experience and maybe in your journey you have found challenges?
Yeah, I faced many setbacks, but with the support from my families and my academic pressures, I had to stop pageantries for a while when I was in class 11 and 12. I completely stopped competing in pageants, and also for my while I was preparing for my NEET examinations. While I was in Chennai back then, I stopped competing in pageants, and then I pursued to continue to chase my dreams as I want to become a doctor. Now I am 18 years old. Sorry?
Is this the first time that you have to compete?
Yeah, this is the first time that I'm going to compete in the pageant.
How confident are you that you got at this time you have to go outside the state and compete?
Sorry?
About your confidence?
My confidence?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I'm fine. I'm ready to compete because I've prepared. I've worked really hard for this pageant. I've worked like a month. I've been preparing for a whole month. I've been practicing and then checking up on everything.
Do you have
I do have a mentor. She's Irene ma'am. I go to training. I think I would really want to win. I would really want to make our state, Meghalaya, proud. Altogether, most probably will be 39 of us from different states.
And how many rounds will be there?
For the finale, I think three rounds would be there. And before that, we will have the prelims, we'll have the shoots, galas, dinners, and so much more.
Why and how do you inspire yourself to come to this profession?
To come into pageantry? Okay, see, when I was 11 years old, my designer, which is leit, he was like, I think you should start modeling. So then I started working for him, as in like ram walk shows and all those stuffs. And then later, from somewhere, some message came that there's this pageant, like the first pageant in July, that is the Miss July teenager pageant. And then my parents were like, yeah, go for it, we will support you, do anything that you like, we will support you. So then after that, I started competing in pageants, and then I started learning that I can do this, I'm ready for it. I can go for a national stage as well, so here I am today. So the point of this press conference is that I want your support. Kwa ai jingkyrshan ki yong pise, mandapoi por vote leni hekat ke emi por jing kam yong I, kwa ai jingkyrshan ki yong pise tenget au betok ni no ya. Jadi ki samla men kwa ban ong ba believe in yourself, that ba ka ba kwa ban le go for it. As long as you have your family support, go for it, because you will reach where you want to be. You are going to reach the top. Thank you. Support na barok ki riew rukunjo na may bangalan represent ya ka state Meghalaya ni barok away. Tanga ko ako pinailang yang ay ki support ki jompi. Ni jaman kinokuni ki support ba yang hakat ba like anything that I want to do. Tamba ki opat ba focus on your career as well. Namar ba later in the future ngam kamo na kani, like I have to have a successful career. Ki ombit ba do what you love. Tamba na klepat your career. Go chase your dreams.
I would like to share a little bit of her journey. Like, I haven't known her for very long, since her mother. So I will share a little bit of her journey. So since the time Aishwariya was young, she's very active when it comes to singing. When she was still young, singing, dancing, she loved the stage. And the stage is basically her best friend, and we could see that. So it was in the year 2000, like she said, it was in the year 2022 that she first competed in a district pageant at the age of a very young age of 14, and it's called Miss Teen Diva, and then she won the pageant, and again she competed in the year 2024 for Miss Jingkyrshan, in which she won the pageant again. I remember this year she told me that she really wanted to compete for Miss Teen Diva, which was held just a few months ago, but she was not able to compete in that pageant because the date was there was a clash of date between her UG and the pageant. So I remember she worked hard, and she always believed that maybe the next better opportunity will come for her. And after her exams, she saw online that there is an audition going on for Miss Teen Diva, which is the biggest teen pageant in India right now. And I remember she came to us and she was asking all of our family members who were there, and she was saying, can I compete in this? Can I be in this? Then we were thinking it's a national pageant, it's no more a state pageant, it's a huge responsibility. So we thought, okay, in our family, we like she said, we prioritize education, that's one thing, but we also never clip the wings of our children who want to chase their dream. That's what we wanted to do. We always want to give them opportunities and dream. Therefore, we didn't stop Aishwariya. We let Aishwariya audition, and then finally she got a mail. She got a mail after vigorous audition among hundreds and hundreds of girls across India. She was selected as one of the finalists. And then after she got selected as a finalist, we know that there's a lot of responsibility, and she had to prepare a lot. So she had to go through a lot of training, be it in terms of her work, be it in terms of her speaking skills, communication skills, be it in terms of the way she walked, the way she presented herself. It's a lot of responsibility, and I'm glad seeing that as her uncle, where she is now. And that's why I said, go ahead and do it. And I would request the people of Meghalaya to support young talents, especially that Aishwariya at a very young age. It's very important for these kids to grow with confidence and to have the skills of leadership. I think it's very important that we support them. She's not going to represent herself, not only herself, she's going to represent Joy, she's going to represent Janta Hills, she's going to represent the whole state as well and make us proud in the national stage. So I request each and everyone, people from Meghalaya to come and support of her, be it in terms of voting or anything. We'll be grateful and thank you. I would like to thank each and every one of you for being here again, for supporting her in her journey, and we wish her the best.